Hello, you're on a SETaNet channel. Now I will show you how the NotVPN application works, which you can install on your smartphone. The application will allow you to encrypt only the internet traffic you select, will allow you to work anonymously on the internet from your phone, and will save battery power. I will show you what this application is and what opportunities it provides. The work field has a Launch VPN button, which allows you to immediately launch the application. You can enable VPN and use it for all applications. If this option is not activated, below you have popular applications that have VPN enabled. You can leave them or delete them. Below there is an option to show the entire list of resources that the VPN will be used. Let me clarify, these are not the applications that you have installed on your phone, but all possible applications that can be installed on your phone and resources that you can visit on the internet. And at the top there is a search bar that allows you to find the application and resources you need. To show all the functionality, I will enable encryption of all traffic. Let's see if my IP has changed. I go to WhoreNet. My real IP is displayed. I click Connect VPN. The application is working. I refresh the page in the browser. As you can see, my IP has changed. Now I have a Finnish IP. I go to resources that were blocked due to my geo, and you can see that they have now become available. This means the application is working. And let's check if it is true that the speed is not reduced. I go to speed test. I am running a speed test. This is the speed with VPN enabled. I will turn it off and I will show you what my real speed is without VPN enabled, so you can understand exactly how much it is reduced. As you can see, the speed with VPN is reduced by almost 4 times. I return to the application. I'll show you what on the menu. Here you can subscribe. On a free basis, it is shown that the speed will be reduced and it is indicated which restrictions apply. On a paid basis, the speed is up to 100 megabits per second. The price is about $7 per month, which is very affordable and no advertising. Below is a country selection. By default, the selection is made automatically, and only 6 countries are available free of charge, and on a paid basis there are a little more of them, but not the widest selections among similar applications. In the menu you can select the interface language. There are advanced settings where is an option to select a DNS server, and you can block the local network. And there is information about your account. This is a fairly simple but accessible and high-quality application that provides a good functionality even for free. If you are looking for a simple and affordable app, NotVPN is right for you. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and good luck!